Here is your map, Rikki. The path is open. Good luck. Are you ready? Hooray! Adventure time! Rikki, I'm a little scared. Don't worry. Those are just the sounds of the jungle animals.
Let's keep going.
Look! Bear, catch it! I caught it! Great job! Now let's put it back. Be careful!
You can do it.
We didn't hurt your baby. Rikki, who is that? Is it a big bird? Don't be afraid. It's an eagle. An eagle protects her baby. Hello, eagle. Look, the eagle is happy now. We saved her baby. Look, the eagle is showing us the way. Let's go this way, friends. Look! The path we walked is glowing! We're on the right path! Yes! We are going the right way.